Curious about the ketogenic diet? Wondering if it's the right choice for achieving your health goals? What exactly does going keto entail and how does it impact your body? Today, we're diving into the truth about keto. Is it right for you? We uncover the facts, benefits, and potential drawbacks of the ketogenic diet. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your energy levels, or enhance mental clarity, we'll explore whether keto might be the key to achieving your desired health outcomes. Ready to separate fact from fiction? Let's find out if keto is the right fit for your lifestyle and goals. Understanding the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet, often abbreviated as keto, is a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate eating plan designed to shift the body's metabolism into a state called ketosis. In ketosis, the body primarily burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, producing molecules called ketones as an alternative energy source. This metabolic adaptation is achieved by drastically reducing carbohydrate intake to typically less than 50 grams per day, forcing the body to rely on stored fat for energy. The ketogenic diet is structured to maintain a ratio of macronutrients where fats typically make up about 70–80% of total daily calories, protein around 20%, and carbohydrates are limited to 5–10% of total calories. This dietary approach aims to mimic the metabolic state of fasting, which has been shown to have therapeutic effects on conditions such as epilepsy, type 2 diabetes, and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Adopting a ketogenic diet requires careful planning and understanding of food composition to ensure adequate nutrient intake while minimizing carbohydrates. The primary goal is to induce and maintain ketosis, which may lead to various health benefits beyond weight loss. Supporters of the ketogenic diet suggest that it can improve insulin sensitivity, promote fat loss, reduce inflammation, and enhance mental clarity. However, it's important to note that the ketogenic diet is not suitable for everyone and may require adjustments based on individual health conditions and goals. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian is crucial before embarking on a ketogenic journey to ensure safety and efficacy in achieving desired health outcomes. Benefits of the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet has gained popularity for its potential health benefits beyond weight loss. Research suggests that adopting a ketogenic approach can lead to significant reductions in body weight and body fat percentage, particularly in individuals who are overweight or obese. Beyond weight management, the keto diet has shown promise in improving insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control, making it beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing fat consumption, the body shifts into ketosis, where it begins to burn fat for energy instead of glucose. This metabolic state not only aids in weight loss, but also provides a steady source of energy, which can enhance mental clarity and reduce fluctuations in energy levels throughout the day. Proponents of the ketogenic diet argue that it may have anti-inflammatory effects and could potentially benefit conditions such as epilepsy and neurodegenerative disorders. Some studies suggest that ketones produced during ketosis may provide neuroprotective benefits and improve cognitive function. However, while the ketogenic diet shows promise for certain health outcomes, it's important to consider individual variability and potential long-term effects, particularly regarding cardiovascular health and nutrient adequacy. As with any dietary approach, consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian is essential to ensure the diet is tailored to individual needs and goals, while monitoring for any adverse effects or deficiencies. Potential drawbacks and considerations. The ketogenic diet, while celebrated for its potential benefits, also comes with several considerations and potential drawbacks that individuals should be aware of. One of the primary concerns is the initial phase known as keto flu, where some people may experience symptoms such as fatigue, headache, irritability, and dizziness as their bodies adjust to using ketones for fuel instead of glucose. This transition period typically lasts a few days to a week, but can be managed by staying hydrated, ensuring adequate electrolyte intake, and gradually reducing carbohydrate intake rather than making sudden drastic changes. Another significant consideration is the potential for nutrient deficiencies, particularly if the diet is not well planned or balanced. Since the ketogenic diet restricts many carbohydrate-rich foods that are sources of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, there is a risk of inadequate intake of nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and certain vitamins. It's essential for individuals following keto to include a variety of nutrient-dense foods, such as leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and low-carb vegetables, and consider supplementation if necessary to prevent deficiencies. Who should consider the ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet may be particularly beneficial for individuals with specific health conditions or goals. One key group that often considers keto is those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Research suggests that the ketogenic diet can improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control by reducing carbohydrate intake, thereby potentially aiding in weight loss and metabolic management. Additionally, individuals with epilepsy, especially children who have not responded well to traditional treatments, may benefit significantly from the ketogenic diet. Studies have shown that the high-fat, low-carbohydrate nature of keto can help reduce seizures and improve seizure control in some epilepsy patients. Moreover, for individuals seeking weight loss, the ketogenic diet offers a compelling approach. By promoting fat burning and reducing hunger levels due to its satiating effects, keto can facilitate sustainable weight loss. Potential candidates need to consider their overall health status, dietary preferences, and ability to adhere to a strict dietary regimen before starting keto. Consulting with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian is crucial to determine if keto is suitable and safe, based on individual health needs and goals. Understanding these factors can help individuals make an informed decision about whether the ketogenic diet aligns with their lifestyle and health objectives. Meal planning and food choices. Meal planning is essential for success on the ketogenic diet, which emphasizes high fat, moderate protein, and low carbohydrate intake. Planning keto-friendly meals involves selecting foods rich in healthy fats, such as avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds, which provide the primary source of calories. Proteins should be included in moderate amounts to support muscle maintenance and function, with options like fatty fish, poultry, and eggs. Carbohydrate intake is restricted to maintain ketosis, so non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, and cauliflower are staples, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Planning meals to meet macronutrient ratios requires careful consideration of portion sizes and cooking methods to avoid hidden carbohydrates and maintain the desired nutritional balance. Health effects on blood lipids and cardiovascular health. The ketogenic diet's impact on blood lipids and cardiovascular health has been a topic of debate and research. While some studies suggest that the ketogenic diet can lead to favorable changes in lipid profiles by increasing HDL, good, cholesterol levels and reducing triglycerides, there are concerns regarding its effects on LDL, bad, cholesterol. LDL cholesterol levels may increase in some individuals, particularly those who consume high amounts of saturated fats in their diet. This increase in LDL cholesterol has raised questions about the long-term implications for cardiovascular health, as high LDL levels are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Research also indicates that the ketogenic diet's effects on cardiovascular health may vary depending on individual factors, such as genetics, baseline health status, and adherence to the diet. It's essential for individuals considering the ketogenic diet to monitor their lipid profiles regularly and consult with healthcare professionals to ensure that any changes in cholesterol levels are managed appropriately. Incorporating heart-healthy fats, such as monounsaturated fats from sources like avocados and nuts, and maintaining a balanced approach to nutrition can help mitigate potential risks while reaping the metabolic benefits of ketosis. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more health and wellness content.